So here's how you can get your very own Temu affiliate code. It's actually quite easy to do, but you'll want to make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. The very first thing you need to do is open your Temu app. Once you're logged in, you will go ahead and go to the U button at the bottom. Then once you're at this page, you'll want to scroll down and click on Settings. Just make sure that your country and region are set as the United States, and at the very bottom, you also want to make sure that your currency is set to USD. Once you have done that, just simply go back and then click on the Categories button, and at the bottom, you want to go over to search that says Search Temu, and then simply just type in affiliate. That's going to lead you over to the affiliate page where you can see that this is where you can make money through affiliates. The affiliate program is going to offer you a code or link. In this case, you're looking to get your own code. So now at the bottom in orange, you can see my affiliate link and code. And my code is going to be this. And you can just go ahead and click on copy. And there you go. You have to copy your own Temu affiliate code.